Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check your period by the cycle tracking function on the Google Fit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Now tap on the browse icon down below, which is the third option. Tap on cycle tracking, and here if you tap on this period box, you are going to see a chart indicating your period, which is measured in cycles. As you can see, during your period, your menstrual flow may vary from light to heavy, and you are also able to see these information indicated in this chart. If you want to see more details about your period, just simply tap on the relevant one, thereby seeing the flow level and day of cycle. You can also add new entries into this section by clicking on the plus icon at the top of the screen, thereby selecting the date and time and the flow level of your period. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.